Hi, my name is Pat Moore. I'm the instructor for the Stereotomy course. And in this course, we learn about how to lay out seemingly complex joinery using nothing but a pencil, paper, and some minor drafting equipment. And we draw everything out to solve for the layout lines. That gives us, we can build seemingly complex trestles, roofs, stuff like that. And in this course, we are building a Moore stool, and that is a stool 30 inches high or so with a repeating St. Andrew's cross. And it has a few compound angles that we cut by hand. One of the prerequisites for the course is the understanding and experience of cutting wood by hand, so hand tool usage. I'll be here next year for the 30th anniversary. Well, I'll be teaching this course again, as well as other post and beam courses.